Blessings everyone. So today I just show you how to sound the shofar. So this is a shofar. Traditionally, it is a ram's horn. And there's a question about what shapes of the shofar has the best sound. So I will quote Rabbi Yehuda, who says that the more a person bends his mind and humble himself by bending in prayer, the better. Therefore, carved shofar is sounded as an allusion to the our bent minds and bodies. So there are three sounds of shofar. The first one is the whole sound, which is called Tekeya. And the second sound, the broken sound, which is called Barim. And the wailing sound, or the wailing sound is called Roa. So this is Tekeya, or the straight sound. Tekeya is a straight sound. And then the broken sound, which is the shivering. And then the other one is the wailing sound, which is called Showa. So let's blow all together. So let's play again. More. Thank you. God bless you, everyone. Blessings.